Out of the wild exuberance of creation throughout millions of years, you two have appeared. Each of you unique, distinctive person. You have chosen to journey together in the brief moment of time that is yours. From this day forward, you have become a unit of life that will bring forth new beginnings. You are both called into a new existence. The old things have passed, and a new creation is now your dwelling place, in which you will carve a sacred space for each other. For the whole universe has come to each of you in the form of a particular person who has a unique love for you and is loved by you.
I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Uyanda Nakasa, do take thee, Khanyisa Magxala, as my lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to respect, as long as we both shall live.
I'm waiting on my favorite call, and even when the sky is falling, I will wait on you. My heart can never get
I call upon thee present here today to witness that I, Khanyisa Magxala, do take thee, Uyanda Nakasa, as my lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to respect, as long as we both shall live. Song of Songs 3 verses 1 to 4. All night long on my bed, I looked for the one my heart loves. I looked for him, but did not find him. I will get up now and go about the city, through the streets and squares. I will search for the one my heart loves. So I looked for him, but did not find him. The watchmen found me as they made their rounds in the city. Have you seen the one my heart loves?
You don't have to be alone. My heart is your forever. I'm staring at the telephone, 'cause I'm waiting on my favorite call. And even when the sky is falling, I will wait on you. My heart can never carry on if I don't have a favorite part. The best part of you is you don't have to try. The best part of this is you. Oh yeah, darling, you are mine. Say, baby.